you guys, it's me Sharika. Welcome to Garden Believers. So I wanted to do this quick video to show you guys that my grass did germinate. Yay! The weather has changed. It's like in the 70s. It was in the 50s. Now it's in the 70s. We're having great awesome weather. We had great weather for Thanksgiving. So I just wanted you guys to see a little quick video on that the grass is growing. So let's go over here and take a look really quick on how it's sprouting up. So I'm gonna turn it up. So look, you guys, look, it's growing. So I'm really excited. I got a little bit on this side coming up, not much, but let me move this out the way. I got some areas are not picking up, so see it coming up a little bit. Yeah, I see a couple up here up on the hill, and it might be because we have been doing a lot of traffic. I have planted my evergreen, the giants over here, so I need to get a couple more so I could get a fence to divide that privacy from my neighbor's house. But yeah, so that might be why it hasn't grown, because we're walking back and forth in this area over here. So my next project after this, if you see the grass growing, is trying to get these bricks, this pathway. I gotta get it leveled correctly, it's ground. So this would be the bricks going all the way down here, and then I'll plant my boxwoods. But yes, I'm excited about this grass growing right now that I don't know what to do. And I need to go ahead. I did not cut my vegetables for Thanksgiving, so I will be cutting them. Go ahead and freeze them. Maybe we have for Christmas, because of course my husband has family that's from the country. He's from the country, so they all have farms, so they all was able to share their love of their vegetables with us. And I didn't get a chance, since I've been so busy, to get mine out the garden and prepare them for the holiday. But Christmas is coming up, so I'm also share some with other friends and family, and then freeze some. But look how beautiful they look, super huge. And my celery, look at my celery. But yeah, so I have these beans that grew. Don't know what kind of beans they are. If you can see them right here. Yeah, so, and then my kale is super healthy and luscious. But yeah, every day's a project. Every day is a project. Trying to get some areas together. Guess I need to stop saying just trying to remember everything. But the main thing is the grass, the grass, the grass, the grass. Yes. All right, so thank you guys for joining me in this quick little video. I was so excited to see that the grass is coming along, and we are having beautiful weather right now. So I'm gonna get in the yard and move some stuff around, clean up some stuff. Leaves are still falling. So, all right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. I will see you guys soon. Have an awesome week. Bye-bye.